Adam's role is integral to the purchase ledger team. He's fitted in really well. He has hit the ground running in a very busy, demanding department, with learning the ropes on the job with very little other training. He's only just started his SEMA training, which is going to take a bit more of his time moving forward, but for the last 6 months since he's been with us, he's learned how to do the full purchase ledger function from start to finish, also assisting with any other accounting duties that we've thrown at him.
Alex has always been very polite, gets on really well with his other colleagues at Wavenet. Alex is a lot younger than the other guys in the team, and he offers a fresh perspective on things and a different insight into problems and things that are faced day to day.
He is a fantastic individual. For somebody as young as he is, he's very mature, and he's got a very level head on him. It makes working with him that much easier. He's always striving to be better, and that pushes the rest of us to be better. And he's just got such positive energy, and he's just so likable. And he really helps me personally a lot within the business, and I just want to say thank you to him for that. And he works hard, and I just he needs to keep up the good work, and he's going to go very far in life.
It's a fast-paced, pressured team. There's lots going on, and we've needed that extra body. So I don't see Alex as an apprentice. I see him as a fully fledged member of the team. I don't give him apprentice things to do, because he's looked at any differently. He's one of the guys. He's one of the team. He does the same as everyone else. So he's been a real benefit.
So the infrastructure engineer, he's easy to get on with. Very happy to have a conversation. Pretty laid back. Very, very difficult. You don't see him get riled if something's really broken and it's starting to kick off a little bit. He's quite laid back and just gets on with it, which is nice. You need that definitely within the role. There's nothing worse than seeing an infrastructure engineer start getting stressed just because stuff stopped working. You want that. You need it to be like the proverbial swan. On top of the surface, you just see, just get on with it. Everything's all great, and then underneath, rushing around getting things done. And he fits into that really well as a person. He's a personality. He just fits that perfectly. Yeah, he's just a go-getter, gritty. I don't think I've seen him have a unhappy days. Always seems to be ready to go for it.
Adam's been a brilliant addition to the team. I've seen his confidence grow in the last few months he's been with us. He's not frightened of challenging more senior members of staff and the team with questions and opinions on how best to treat different items within purchase ledger and accounting in general. He's a pleasure to speak to. He's always happy, always supportive. He's just fitted in really well. I can't say a bad word about Adam, to be honest with you. He's brilliant. He's, everybody he becomes in contact with thinks he's great.
Alex Shaw works in the porting department at Wavenet. Quite a few responsibilities. He's responsible for the porting of customer numbers into the Wavenet telephony platforms. Quite a bit of responsibility involved there, because if they don't go correctly, then a customer can be without service on their phone systems. He's updated spreadsheets, he's into carriers portals, he's dealing with customers, he's dealing with suppliers day to day, and he's done a great job of it so far.
Zane benefits the team through his passion for knowledge and wanting to excel. He's always pushing himself to learn new technologies, but he then shares what he's learned with the rest of the team, and that does benefit the team. It brings a good morale into the team. Having somebody who is young and eager helps spur the older guys along and keeps them on their toes.
Very, very good with customers. Really good at composing emails. the language he uses is really good in tickets. You know, he's got a real good understanding of the products we offer,